Okay, so let's do another bathroom on the 5th level. So there is a video from the roof, this roof level, and now I'm going to go down to the next level, which is the 5th level, and it's offset to the left a little bit. This is the drainage from the roof that's going up to the roof, and on the roof it should say down to roof, down to 5th level, let's say. Okay, so I'm gonna erase this guy and go over to this area. So what we're gonna need to do is this is floor mounted toilet. That's our shower, and that's our washer and dryer, that's our lavatory and kitchen sink. So I'm going to create a riser in this location. So I need my section view, which is here, and let's make it perpendicular. I'm going to bring this down just a little bit so that we can have a better control on what we're looking at. And I'm going to rotate in place, which is my preference. I like to do it like that. So we can get a good look at let's go to our view, and I need to go back. It's here. Looks like I have a few of my links on. My plumbing is on, so I'll say, okay, I want to turn that off. And I'm on the 5th level here. Let's go back. So I'm here. Okay. So I need to go down in this wall. Okay, so we'll go right click, draw a pipe, and it's PVC. System type is sanitary. And I'm going to go back to this wall and down. Let's look at the floor plan. So I'm going down. So what I'm going to need to do is line up my shower with so that I can tie into my water closet. Okay, so my shower is going to need a P-trap. Let's get a reference, and we can go here. I'm going to go here, here, and what's going to happen, I'm going to need a P-trap here. Let's use that trap. So I think I'm going to have to go back to the wall. Go back to this wall. So I think I'm going to try something, okay? Let's try something. I think I might be able to rotate that in place. So let's go back and let's rotate. Center of rotation is going to be here. And let's go 90 degrees. 90, okay. And let's look at this again. So we're going back to the wall. I think I'm gonna go back and let's use this. I may need to come down some because I'm gonna need a Y combination fitting here. Okay, so, and again, I do not slope in these tight bathroom areas. There's no sloping going on. Okay, now slope would go on if I went from left to right, from here to 50 feet or 100 feet or whatever. Then I would slope it. But there's too many changes that's going to happen, and there are the fitting to fit slope piping is not as straightforward as fitting the fittings that's going to go directly connected to a non-sloping pipe. So it's a headache, to say the least. It's a headache when you are trying to create your fittings with slope piping, and then something changes, and then you have to do that over again, and something else changes, and you have to do it over again. So it's just not worth it. I'm gonna get this P-trap out of the way so I can come back. Because what I'm gonna do is go back to the wall and come out at 45 so I can get this 3-inch pipe. Okay. I think I can drag this down. I'm not sloping, so I'm gonna go back this way. Let's go here. Oh, that's the trap. I think what I'm gonna need to do is let's try a 3D. You see, the difference in these videos is that I'm not saying how to change the color of a pipe, okay? Or just put a lot of pipes out in space and connecting them to some random plumbing fixtures. This is what's really going on when you go to your job, okay? So changing the color of the pipe is it just doesn't matter, you know. What you need to concentrate on is, how do I design this thing? Okay, so I think what I was gonna do was create a 3D. I didn't want to do that. Let's turn off the select so that I don't accidentally select my architectural link, and I'm gonna go to my selection box so we can look at this. And let's see, I think I can go down at this point. Okay, so and what I'm gonna need to do, here's my, why is that going down like that? Oh, I think I know why. Because I made that in place rotation. Let's go back and look at this again. Let's go here and rotate in place, rotate in place, rotate. Let's go 90. Let's go 90 and take a look at this guy, because he's not happy. I can tell. You see? I'm going to start over. Let's do here, come back. I mean, it works. You can rotate in place off of your plan view. But I think what happened, I did not choose that little spool piece. I only chose I chose maybe a little bit of the spool piece, but I chose all of my trap. Anyway, let's do this. Draw pipe. Where are we? You're here? Okay. Let's go all the way here. And then put our let's put our trap in here. Maybe up just a little bit so we can clear our main pipe. And then from here, let's go here. And what I'm gonna do, let's go back to the floor plan. And all of this takes practice. However you do it, you may do it a different way, okay? This is I'm just showing you what's going on in the real world and the challenges that you face when you're doing your plumbing. And trust me, it's not how to change the color of a pipe, okay? So I'm gonna come out at 45 degrees. I thought I was gonna come out at 45. I thought I was going to come out at 45. I thought I was going to come out at 45. Oh, I think I know what happened. I'm gonna go down first. Let's go down. I'm gonna go down because at 45, that's a tough angle for that elbow. There's no fitting. That elbow is not gonna, it's gonna break. Okay, so I'm gonna come down and then go out at 45. I think that's gonna be my solution. Come out at 45 here. Yeah, see? Come out here, and there's my 45. So what I'm gonna need to do is I'm gonna come here and make another elbow here. And let's look at that guy and see where we are. I think I'm above. Let's just look at our elevations. So middle elevation is 1.8 and this is 1.7, so I am above. So what I'm gonna do is coordinate this so that it's going to be aligned with this vertical or this horizontal. They're both in a horizontal plane. So I'm gonna go here and it's off just a little bit. And to align this guy, I'm gonna use the align tool, go modify and use my align tool. And what I'm looking for is a red dot that's right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a red dot and I'm gonna go here. Go back to my floor plan and here I'm gonna use another combination Y fitting. Instead of this, if this was sloped, then we would have to go through a whole process of trying to align the slope piping and this, and it just doesn't, it's too much work. So let's go here, we get this guy, and we're gonna change this from a T reducing vent. I'm gonna put in a sanitary, and it's going the wrong way. So we need to flip the fitting. Okay, so it's going in the correct. And while I'm at it, since I'm up here in my ribbon or my options, I can't remember which one it is, I'm gonna synchronize this guy. Okay, so let's go and see what we got. Okay, so we have that. Just a little bit, okay. So we have that fitting, we have our pipe, our P-trap, and now what we need to do, so I have my water closet going down the drain, have my shower connected to my main pipe coming off my water closet, and there's probably gonna be a clean out here. But before I do that, what I need to do is create a pipe stand for this washer and dryer and connect it to this 3-inch pipe. So I'm gonna extend this guy up, just up to here somewhere, okay? So, and I'm gonna use this, create similar, come back over here, and we're gonna create that. Let's go over here. I'm gonna rotate in place again. Let's go here and rotate in place. Come back so we can create our standpipe, but I'm gonna extend my section so I can get all of my washer and dryer. Let's get a reference and go to our section view. So there's our dryer. So I know that I'm gonna come down on the left side with a P-trap. This is gonna be my P-trap, but it has to be a 2-inch. I think that's a 3-inch, right? Yeah, I want that to be a 2-inch for my washer and dryer. And let's erase this and put a P-trap in here. Okay, and go up and just move this guy up. Okay, so this can be anyway. It's just a representation of a standpipe coming off of the washer and dryer. So what I need to do is maybe go back some. Let's take this guy back back, because I want to connect this 2-inch into this 3-inch pipe. So, how do I? Let's see. Let's go down from here. So I'm still in the wall area. Okay, this is still in the wall. Let's go here. Let's come down. Let's come down, and I think I'm gonna need to go 45 degrees. Let's go here. I think what might be better, I think I know where I am, but I want to emphasize something. What I'm not showing is this 3-inch pipe. Okay, so let's grab our section view and extend it just a little bit so we can get more of a reference. Okay, and what I'm gonna do at this point is go out at 45, or I could go straight at 90, but I like the 45. Let me move this guy over. Let's go back. Yeah, let's go back. You see, not too much. Well, I can come back. Ooh, that's okay. Let's come back this way, and let's go here and go back this way just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna connect here, go back to my floor plan, and go here, come out 35. I can come out at 45 here, okay, and go here. So as you can see, we did the same, okay, and I'm gonna use our section in place, our view, our section in place, come here so that I can align the two. Let's get a closer look, because what we still need to do is look at if there's any HVAC in the way. Let's go here. Let's see if HVAC or structure. Let's turn on HVAC and structure. Let's turn this on. Okay, so everything is good. I think I'm gonna stop here and come back another day, okay? So I hope that helped, guys, and I will talk to you guys later.